Hey guys, Shocking Fox here, and welcome to my remake video. Um, as you can see, I'm still not so good at this whole making a video kind of thing, but I'm still trying, and I'm sure I'll get better here in the future. But anyways, this is my remake video of She's My Kind of Rain by Tim McGraw, and if you could, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this or more videos like my past. Um, Anyways, on with the video. And shout out to my mom. This is a very important song to her. She's my kind of rain, like love in a drunken sky. She's confetti falling down all night. She sits quietly there, black water in a jar. Says, baby, why you tremble like you are? So I wait, and I try. I confess like a child. She's my kind of rain, like love from a drunken sky. Confetti falling down all night. She's my kind of rain. She's the sunset shadows. She's like Rembrandt's light. She's the history that's made at night. She's my lost companion. She's my dreaming tree. Together in this brief eternity. Summer days, winter snows. She's all things to behold. She's my kind of rain, like love from a drunken sky. Confetti falling down all night. She's my kind of rain. So I'll wait, and I try. I confess all my crimes. She's my kind of rain, like love in a drunken sky. Confetti falling down all night. She's my kind of rain. Oh, oh, she's my kind of rain, like love from a drunken sky. Confetti falling down all night. She's my kind of rain. She's my kind of rain. Oh, oh, rain on me. Kind of rain. She's my kind of rain. Anyways, that's my first cover. again, if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.